Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy you are here today. I am Anna, and I feel very wonderful today. The sun is shining, and I feel very full of energy. How are you today, Tom?
Hello, Anna. Hello, friends. I am Tom, and I am very happy too. I feel great because I slept very well last night. The weather is a little cold today, but I feel warm inside because we are here to help our friends learn English.
That is so good to hear, Tom. Today we have a very special topic. It is a topic for everyone. We are talking about sleep. We are talking about sleeping for 8 hours every night.
Oh, I love sleep. Sleeping is my favorite activity. It is very important for our health and for our brain. When we sleep well, we can learn English better.
You are right, Tom. Learning a language is hard work for the brain. The brain needs to rest. If you do not sleep, you cannot remember new words.
Exactly. So today we want to help you. We want to talk about how to sleep 8 hours. We want to use simple words so you can practice.
But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel. It is very important for us. If you subscribe, you can see all our new videos.
And please give us a like. If you like this video, more people can find us. We want to help the whole world speak English. Also, please write a comment. Tell us, did you sleep well last night?
Yes, tell us in the comments. We love to read your stories. Now, Tom, let us talk about the bedroom. To sleep 8 hours, the bedroom must be good.
Yes, the room is very important. For me, the room must be dark, very dark. I do not like light when I sleep. I have big curtains to block the light.
I agree. A dark room is a quiet room. I also like a cool room, not hot. If the room is too hot, I cannot sleep. I like to feel the cool air on my face.
Me too. And we must talk about the bed. A good bed is like a magic cloud. You need a good mattress and a good pillow. My pillow is very soft. I love my pillow.
My pillow is a little hard because it is better for my neck, but the blankets must be soft. Soft blankets make me feel safe and happy.
When I go to my bed, I feel very relaxed. I say to my body, it is time to rest. But Anna, many people have a problem. They use their phones in bed.
Oh, that is a big problem, Tom. The phone has a blue light. The blue light tells the brain, wake up, it is morning. But it is not morning, it is night.
Yes, I never use my phone in bed. I put my phone on the table far away. I think it is better to read a book. Do you read books before sleep, Anna?
Yes, I do. I read a book for 10 or 15 minutes. It makes my eyes tired. When my eyes are tired, I want to close them. Reading is a very good habit.
It is a beautiful habit. It is better than watching television. Television is too loud and too fast. A book is quiet and slow. We like slow things here because we are learning.
We are going slow so you can understand every word. Now, Tom, let us talk about the number 8. Why is 8 hours the magic number?
Well, scientists say our body needs 8 hours. Some people sleep 5 hours, but they are very tired the next day. They drink too much coffee.
I cannot sleep only 5 hours. If I sleep 5 hours, I am very sad and I have no energy. I need 8 hours to feel like a happy person.
Me too. When I sleep 8 hours, my skin looks good and my eyes are bright. I can think fast. I can talk to you, Anna, and not feel tired.
Think about your body like a phone battery. At night, you plug in the phone. If you only wait 1 hour, the battery is at 10%. But if you wait 8 hours, the battery is at 100%.
That is a perfect example, Anna. We want a battery at 100% every morning. To do this, we must go to bed early.
Yes, if I want to wake up at 7 in the morning, I must go to bed at 11 at night. 7 plus 1 is 8. It is simple math.
I go to bed at 10 because I like to wake up at 6. I love the early morning light. But I always count the hours. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect.
What do you feel when the alarm rings after 8 hours, Tom? Do you feel good?
I feel wonderful. I feel like I can run a marathon. I feel very positive. I look at the mirror and I smile. I say, "Good morning, Tom."
I feel the same. I feel calm. I do not feel stressed. People who do not sleep are very stressed. They get angry easily. We do not want to be angry. We want to be happy.
Exactly. Happiness starts with a good night of sleep. It's free. Sleep is free. You do not have to pay money for sleep. It's a gift for your body.
It is a very special gift. Now, let us look at some words we used today. We said sleep, bed, pillow, blanket, mattress. These are nouns.
And we used verbs like to rest, to dream, to relax, to wake up, to count. These are very useful words for your daily life.
We also talked about feelings: happy, tired, sad, stressed, calm. How do you feel right now, dear listener? Do you feel sleepy?
If you feel sleepy, maybe it is time to turn off this video and go to bed. But wait, first you must listen to the end.
Yes, stay with us. We want to remind you that learning English is like sleeping. You need to do it every day. You cannot learn everything in 1 hour. You need small steps.
Small steps every day, just like 8 hours every night. If you practice a little bit every day, you will be a master of English.
I am so proud of our friends. They are listening and they are learning. You are doing a great job. Really, you are amazing.
Yes, you are. Thank you for spending time with Anna and me. We love making these conversations for you. It makes us feel very useful.
Before we go, Tom, do you have any more tips for sleeping well?
Yes, do not drink coffee in the evening. Coffee is for the morning. In the evening, I drink warm milk or herbal tea. It is very relaxing for the stomach.
That is a great tip. No coffee at night. And maybe listen to some soft music. Music can help the brain go to sleep.
I agree. Well, Anna, I think we covered everything about sleeping 8 hours. It is very simple. Go to bed early, no phones, and enjoy your dreams.
Yes, sweet dreams to everyone. Thank you for watching Mr. Fluent English Channel. We love you all.
Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a beautiful night and a beautiful sleep.
Goodbye. See you soon.